Amazing, spitting flames.
How do you feel, Kev?
That car's just nice. Has it died? Yeah, it's just stopped. This is a bit hot, Kev. That might have seized it solid.
Yeah. Give it a while. Oh, there's some water coming out, look.
Oh, look, there's some water.
Yeah, I think it might have died, mate.
I think you might have popped it, Kev. No, look at the water.
Yeah, you...
Kev, you seized that solid, bruv.
I've also dug holes in the car.
Oh, wicked.
Yeah, you blown that motherfucker. Look at all the rubber.
It was both wheels as well, look. That's not a bad effort from a fucking shitty Renault.
Right, you need to send me that video.
Hasn't finished yet. I hope people appreciate this on YouTube.
You're going to put it on there.
You had both wheels checked. No, it's close.
I wouldn't fucking say that anywhere, Ken. Take the number plates off it, take your tax discount. Well, it was nicked, but I took the tax.